Uh, Good morning, Suvarna. You are appearing for which interview, on which date, and in which place?
Good morning, sir. I'm appearing for IBPS SO Law Officer exam, Law Officer exam interview on 23rd at Hyderabad, sir.
Oh, acha, you are lucky. Your interview is only on 23rd. You
Yes,
have
sir.
time. You have time.
Yes, sir.
Good. That's really nice. Good. Now, can you please tell us about yourself?
Yes, sir. Hello, sir. My name is Mundari Suvarna Rekha. I'm from Vishakhapatnam. I have graduated in BBA LLB from National Law University, Odisha, Cuttack. And since then, I have been preparing for competitive exams, and I'm appearing for this exam, sir.
Which year you completed a degree, for law degree?
Law degree graduation from graduation in 2022, sir.
Okay. So, what are the other exams you have written?
Sir, I have been giving other exams like all the everything in legal field only, but like insurance exam I have given, but
Mhm.
and
Could you
SEBI
appear
exam.
for any? Did you appear for any interview earlier?
No, sir, I could not succeed in that. So this is only my first exam that I have cleared, and I
Yeah.
have
Can you tell us
successfully
about
prepared.
your family?
Yes, sir. So my father is working as an PSU employee. So he's working at Rashtriya Ispat Nigam Limited, and my mother is homemaker.
Excellent. How many siblings you have?
One elder brother, sir. So he is also preparing for competitive exams.
Very nice. Now, um, why did you choose law?
Uh,
Is it the only degree you have, or you have some other degree before that also?
no, sir. I have chosen integrated law. So this is a 5 year course. So I have chosen this only. Actually, because sir, like I have seen uh, like the interest developed basically like my mom, she told me to like join law, and like my family wanted me to join, like they wanted to see me as lawyer
Not the.
because
This is not the possible good answer, because you are adult now. You must be able to tell decisions were taken by you. Though
yes, sir.
at your 16th year, you must have done it out of the influence of your parents. But now
Uh,
you own responsibility and tell that I liked law, so I wanted to come here like this. And
uh,
because this question is relevant because there is nobody in law field in your family,
yes, sir.
and you are not doing for the legal practice now. Then what
Yes.
for did you unnecessarily study that? You could have studied some BA English or BA Telugu and come
Mm.
to bank for a probationary officer post. Why did you do this? So అలా మాకు అది ఇంట్రెస్ట్ కాదండి, కానీ అలాగా మీకు అడుగుతున్నారు. యు బీ రెడీ ఫర్ ఫేసింగ్ సచ్ డెలికేట్ క్వశ్చన్స్.
ఓకే సార్. అది కొంచెం నేను చూస్తాను, దీని గురించి నేను ఆలోచించలేదు. సో ఐ థింక్. Sir,
యు హావ్ టు.
actually, like I've also got influenced by some of my father's colleagues, like their son and they were doing law, and kind of interest developed towards law, and like
ఓకే,
it it is
ఐ
an open
అండర్స్టాండ్ నా ఐ కెన్ అండర్స్టాండ్, ఐ కెన్ ఈజీలీ ఫాలో దట్. బట్
process.
కానీ ఇంటర్వ్యూలో ఎక్స్ప్లెయిన్ చేసానిది టఫ్ అది. So
Okay.
anyhow, you try to manage your own answer for that. Now,
Mm.
what do you think is the job role of a law officer?
Sir, actually, it will it like uh, they will be handling they will be giving legal advices for the bank, and again they will be helping the panel advocates. So with them they will be attending DRTs, court visits, and regarding recovery matters they will be handling in the DRT courts. And again, one more thing is for handling legal opinion. So legal opinion, all this. and
So
vetting of documents.
have you become a member of a bar council?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
When did you become a member of bar council?
At in 2022 only, sir.
What are the courts you have visited, at least for witnessing as a witness?
Court, sir. Uh, During my internship, I attended some courts. So for bail proceeding, one bail proceeding I have seen, and again service matters, and again one was regarding this loan thing only. So during my internship, I attended this.
Internship under whom did you do?
Under sir, one senior advocate, he was at Rajasthan High Court, and one more here at Visakhapatnam only. He was a panel advocate for various banks. So I was dealing with legal opinion things, and
How
I was
long
at
did you have your internship?
sir. Each was like for 1 month, and
What is a
1 month.
wakalat?
Uh, Sir, uh, sir, wakalat like. I'm unable to answer, sir.
తెలుగులో చెప్తున్నారండి, చెప్పండి.
Uh, అంటే వకాలత్ అంటే అసలు ఇది కేసెస్ లైక్ అంటే
See, one way is defining it. అది లేదంటే అనదర్ వే ఈజ్ ఎక్స్ప్లెయినింగ్ అబౌట్ ఇట్. వాట్ ఈస్ వకాలత్? వకాలత్ ఎవరు ఇస్తుంటారు, ఎవరికి
అంటే
ఇస్తుంటారు, దానికి యూజ్ ఏమి అని చెప్పాలి.
ఓకే
అలాగ చెప్తే అవుతుంది. ట్రై చేయండి.
సార్
What
వకాలత్
is a
అంటే అసలు
wakalatnama? Wakalatnama is I am having a definition here.
అంటే
Wakalatnama is often colloquially referred to as wakalat. It is a legal document that authorizes a lawyer to represent a client in a court of law. The
అవును సార్ లైక్
Wakalatnama is derived
వకాలత్
from Persian language where wakil means lawyer and nama means document or paper.
సార్ లైక్ వకాలత్ నామా సైన్ చేయకపోతే మనం యాక్చువల్లీ కేసే మనం స్టార్ట్ చేయగలేము లైక్
Correct.
ఇట్స్ ఏ కైండ్
What
ఆఫ్
is affidavit? What is affidavit?
సార్ ఇట్ ఈస్ అఫిడవిట్ అంటే ఇక్కడ ఒక ఒక అడ్వకేట్ ఆయన చేస్తారు లైక్
No,
ట్రూ
no,
అది
English. Because unfortunately, you cannot talk in local language in
ఓకే
IBPS interview. What is affidavit?
అఫిడవిట్ it gives a like
I
it
know
gi-
even I am having problem in explaining it.
uh,
But Kani, affidavit explain Chavali. What is affidavit? An affidavit is a sworn statement of facts made
sir
under oath, under penalty of perjury, that the statements are true to the best of his or her knowledge. మీరు ఏం చేయాలంటే ఇప్పుడు ఇంపార్టెంట్గా google.com లో వెళ్ళి ఇండియా, అదే ఎందుకంటే నేను అమెరికాలో ఉన్నాము అందుకే వేస్తున్నాము. మీరు ఏం చేయాలంటే లీగల్ టర్మినాలజీస్ డెఫినిషన్ అన్ని వేయండి.
ఓకే
అలాగా వేస్తే మీకు ఇదన్నీ వస్తున్నాయి.
ఓకే
ఇది నార్మల్లీ ఇదన్నీ బేసిక్ క్వశ్చన్స్ నేను ఎవరికో అడగను. బట్ హియర్ ఐ ఫౌండ్ యు ఆర్ లాకింగ్ ఇట్. అందుకే ఇదన్నీ అడగాము. ఇక్కడ చూడండి, అఫిడవిట్ అంటే ఏమి, అపీల్ అంటే ఏమి, ఆర్బిట్రేషన్, అటెస్టేషన్, బెంచ్, దెన్ కాగ్నిజబుల్ అఫెన్స్, కంటెంప్ట్ ఆఫ్ కోర్ట్, డిక్రీ, డిఫెండెంట్, డెఫర్డ్ సెంటెన్స్, డిస్పోజల్, డిస్ప్యూట్, కాన్స్టిట్యూషన్, బెంచ్. అన్ని పాయింట్స్ కు మీరు ప్రిపేర్ చేసుకోవాలి.
అవును సార్ ఓకే
Are you a member of any of my groups?
groups లో yes sir I have joined one group for the newspaper and this banking interview group sir
అచ్చా, యువర్ జాయింట్ బ్యాంక్ ఇంటర్వ్యూ గ్రూప్ ఆల్సో. వెరీ గుడ్.
Yes.
అక్కడ వేస్తాము.
Okay.
వెరీ గుడ్. అంటే మీరు క్వశ్చన్స్ ఎలాగ వస్తున్నారంటే హై లెవెల్గా వస్తున్నాయి. యు నో ఇట్. ఇదన్నీ వెరీ బేసిక్ క్వశ్చన్స్, కానీ మీరు అలాగా అడుగుతున్నారు. వాట్ ఈస్ డిఆర్టి లిమిట్ అండ్ ప్రొసీజర్స్ చెప్పండి.
Sir, DRT limit actually pecuniary limit ఉంటది. The 20 lakhs ఉంటేనే I mean 20 lakhs ఉంటేనే they can file an application.
ఇంగ్లీష్
Bank.
ఇంగ్లీష్ ఇంగ్లీష్
Okay.
ఇంగ్లీష్
Sorry.
ఇంగ్లీష్. ఐ థింక్ ఫర్ యూ బేసిక్ ప్రాబ్లమ్ ఇస్ ఇంగ్లీష్.
Yes, sir.
ఎలాగ మేనేజ్ చేసుకుంటారు మీరు? ఇది ఇంటర్వ్యూ అయిన తర్వాత ఒక స్పోకెన్ ఇంగ్లీష్ క్లాస్ జాయిన్ చేసుకోండి. మీరు ఎక్కడ ఉన్నారో దాంట్లో వెళ్ళి మీరు అటెండ్ చేయాలి. అది తర్వాత మీరు యూట్యూబ్లో కోర్ట్ కేసెస్ అన్ని ఇంగ్లీష్లో వచ్చినది అన్ని యూ హ్యావ్ టు సీ.
No.
ఇది వెరీ డౌట్ఫుల్. ఇప్పుడు ఏమంటే మీరు ప్రిపరేషన్ అంత బాగా లేదు. సో యూ హ్యావ్ టు ప్రాక్టీస్ టాకింగ్ ఇన్ ఇంగ్లీష్, థింకింగ్ ఇన్ ఇంగ్లీష్, రీడ్ ఇంగ్లీష్ న్యూస్ పేపర్, గో త్రూ ఆల్ ఇంగ్లీష్ కంటెంట్ ఇన్ అబౌట్ లీగల్. సో అలాగా ప్రిపేర్ చేసుకోవాలి. ఇప్పుడు డిఆర్టి లిమిట్ ప్రొసీజర్ చెప్పండి.
Sir, the minimum limit for the DRT is 20 lakhs. The pecuniary jurisdiction is this, sir. And the procedure is when bank can go to DRT and it can make an application. So that application is known as the original application. But in section 19, it has been mentioned of RDB Act. And like after that summons are issued to defendant within 30 days, and after that the defendant has to file written statement. And then uh, uh, after that also, if defendant has if the defendant has any kind of objections, then he can raise, and bank can consider those. And then
వాట్
this
ఈస్ డిఆర్ఏ? వాట్ ఈస్ డిఆర్ఏటి?
sir, it's an appellate tribunal, where if the defendant has anything kind of, if he wants to appeal, then he can go to DRA.
What is
So
the minimum court fee for DRT, maximum court fee?
sorry sir, I'm not able to recall the court fees.
What is simple mortgage?
Simple mortgage is, sir, it has been defined in section 58 clause B of Transfer of Property Act. And it is where the mortgager personally binds himself and in a simple mortgage. And uh, what is the other question, sir?
What is simple mortgage? Then usufructory mortgage.
Usufructory mortgage is when uh, the property will be transferred, and he will tell the creditor that you can whatever you can take the property. Transfer total complete transfer of ownership is there. And
ఓనర్షిప్ ఏమండి? మీరు లాయర్,
sorry,
మీరు అలాగా చెప్పవచ్చా?
sorry sir,
Ownership
transfer of interest,
ownership will not be transferred. Only
transfer of
possession will
interest.
be given. Possession will be given. See, please prepare for all these things. Your preparation on this area also is very weak.
Okay.
Then tell me something about consumer court.
Consumer court, sir, in that we have three kinds of consumer court. So at a district level, state level, and a national level. So it is where when
Can
any
you tell
person
me
has
some famous consumer court case?
consumer court cases, sir.
See, a lawyer అంటే ఇదన్నీ అలాగా ఆన్సర్ చేసుకోవాలి. మీరు ఇదన్నీ ప్రిపేర్ చేయలేదంటే హౌ కెన్ ఐ కన్సిడర్ యూ యాజ్ అ లాయర్?
Mm,
నౌ See, basically, I have told you in the WhatsApp itself, you must be thorough with the important provisions of various acts:
Yes,
Negotiable Instruments Act, Contract Act, Companies Act, Partnership Act, Surface Act, IBC. So many things, everything you should, labor law, everything you must be thorough. Now,
yes,
who
sir.
is the Chief Election Commissioner?
Sorry, sir, I'm not able to recall.
ఇది ఎందుకు అడుగుతున్నానంటే ఈ రోజు చేంజ్ అయినారు జ్ఞానేష్ కుమార్.
Oh, okay, sir. I'll read about.
Previously it was రాజీవ్ కుమార్, ఇప్పుడు జ్ఞానేష్ కుమార్ వచ్చినారు. ఇంకా ఒక మనుషుడు వివేక్ జోషి, he has been appointed as another election commissioner.
Okay,
Chief election commissioner is Gyanesh Kumar. There is a news about that. I have posted a video also.
I'll see, sir. I'll look into it.
Yeah. Then what is RTI?
RTI is the right to information. It is derived we have got it from the Article 19 clause 1A, which says freedom of speech and expression. Like specifically, RTI has not been like mentioned in Constitution, but from that article only, RTI has been like developed from that area.
What is promissory note?
Sir, promissory note is when it is an undertaking undertaking given by made by the maker. He promises that he will pay a certain amount, and in that promissory note, a certain amount has been mentioned that it says that I promise to pay a kind XYZ amount to another person.
Are you satisfied with the definition? You are a lawyer.
Uh,
You should go through the section 4 of the Negotiable Instruments Act, and then you must be able to tell that verbatim. What is section 138 of Negotiable Instruments Act?
Sir, it is regarding dishonor of check, sir, and
Hmm.
in that uh, sir, like if there is a insufficiency of fund, then the drawers he will be he will be facing he will be facing criminal charges. So for making it for doing it, sir, and the punishment for it is for 2 years, and twice the check amount, sir.
Very good. Thank you. Thank you so much. I will